Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Basi. Today I will be presenting on communication in organizations, theory and practice. I'll focus on one key concept from my written essay, which is media richness theory. It will connect this theory with the real life project experience, reflect on what I have learned and explain how I will apply these lessons in future. Communication is absolutely essential for every organization. It is what keeps tasks coordinated, ensures that information is shared, and helps us to build a positive culture and teamwork. Without good communication, organizations can face misleadings, conflict, and poor performance. The aim of my presentation is threefold. Firstly, to explain the important theory, media richness theory. Second, to connect it with my personal group experience. And third, to reflect what I have learned from this connection and how I will apply these insights in future. Media richness theory was developed by Duff and Langen in 1986. The main idea is that not all communication channels are same. Some channels are richer, meaning that they carry more information and provide more intermediate feedback, while other are linear, which carry less information and slower feedbacks. For example, face-to-face communications or video calls are considered rich because they allow us to see body language, this tone of voice, and respond immediately. On the other hand, emails are lean because they are just text and usually involve delays in response. The key principle of the theory is that managers and team should match communication medium for the type of task. Riches media are better for complex and confusing issues, while linear media are fine for routine updates. This theory is very relevant in today's digital and hybrid workplaces. Now I'll share my real experience that connects with media richness theory. During my postgraduate studies, I worked in a group projects with five classmates from diverse backgrounds. At first, our team decided to use only email to communicate. This created several problems. Replies were often slow because body tone and language were missing, and sometimes we misunderstood each other. This led to delays and frustration, and some members ended up with doing more work than others. Later, we changed the approach. We began having weekly video calls and also created a WhatsApp group for quick updates. The difference was immediate. Communication became more faster, misunderstandings decreased, and collaboration improved. We were able to complete the project more efficiently, and everyone felt more engaged. This experience is a clear example of media richness theory in practice. Email, which is a lean, not effective for our project because the tasks were complex and sometimes unclear. We need richest communication for that. When we switch to video calls and WhatsApp, which are richest media, we could get more immediate feedbacks. The misunderstandings were clarified and we feel more connected. This change made what the theory suggests that the richer media are better for more ambiguous tasks. In addition, this also reflects ideas from media synchronicity theory. According to Dennis and his colleagues, communication is not just about richness, but about matching the medium to our process. Our team provide this by using both richer and lean media together. Video calls for problem solving and emails for record keeping. Reflecting on this experience, I realize how important communication choices are for teamwork success. At first, our poor choice of email only communication caused stress, delays, and conflict. But once we changed to richest media, teamwork improved dramatically. I also learned that different people have different communication preferences. Some prefer speaking directly into video calls while others like written updates. By combining tools, WhatsApp for quick chats, video calls for group discussions, and emails for official records, created a system that worked for everyone. This reflection showed me how the theory and practice connect. and how making the right communication choices can build stronger, more inclusive teamwork. In future group projects, I plan to apply these lessons. At the start of every project, I will encourage the team to discuss their communication preferences and agree on how we will use different tools. For example, we will use media rich theory like video calls for brainstorming and solving problems, and leader media like emails and shared documents for updates and formal records. By consciously making the task with the right communication tool, I will be able to reduce misunderstanding, it will save time and improve collaboration. This approach will also help me to develop more inclusive communication, and it will improve my leadership skills. To, con- to conclude, communication in organization is not just about sending messages. It's also about choosing the right medium for right situation. My experience confirmed that the insight of media richness theory, lean media like emails are not always effective for complex and uncertain tasks, while rich media like video calls can create clarity and connections. By reflecting on this, I have improved my awareness of how communication works in real life, and now I have strategies that I can apply in my future studies and professional career. The key lesson that I have taken away from this is that task media fit leads to effective communication. Here are the references which I have used for my presentation. Thank you for listening.